Dave King and Fledging Finance, trying to give people some advice on how to set up themselves for long-term success financially. I'd like to share some information on what to do with grade financials across different ages. And now I'm going to talk about goals for your 30s. During your 30s, you need to continue saving money and start prioritizing some of your hopefully added income for a down payment on a home. Once you have 20% for down payment on a home, you don't pay primary mortgage insurance, which essentially is to keep your bank safe and does absolutely nothing for you. So it's an added expense you don't need and can avoid by having a 20% down payment. Maintain a financial safety net. Have 3 to 6 months up to a year of money set aside for financial emergencies. If you have debt, credit cards, student loans, if you're able to get the mortgage, prioritize, the things you can pay off, your credit cards, high interest card debt, student loans, and, if possible, finance your house for 15 years, or potentially easier is do a 30-year mortgage and then make extra payments towards the principal, so you can have the faster time of paying off your loan like a 15-year mortgage, but with the option of not having to pay more than the 30-year payment if you don't have to. Build a diversified investment portfolio. In the 20s, you should set up a brokerage account, and now you can do asset allocation across exchange traded funds or mutual funds to be able to diversify your investment across US stocks or international stocks. But as you move up in the world and enjoy higher salaries and greater responsibilities in the career that you've selected, the primary thing to do is avoid lifestyle creep. In your 20s, you probably, were living below where you wanted, but eventually you probably made enough money to be able to enjoy the things that you wanted. And you were happy with that. Money often doesn't add things to your happiness. Uh, Experiences, spending time with people will. And as you get additional money, save that for your future self and your future enjoyment, and to be able to have meaningful experiences and be able to visit family and friends, or to take vacations with your friends and family. So that's some of the things I would suggest to try to do in your 30s.